Hey everybody, welcome to a screencast on how to open up a styles page and a styles library. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is open InDesign, and then you are going to go to your Creative Cloud library here. So once you open up a Finder, go File, Open. You should meander to the Little Hawk 2021. And then we have styles 2021 here, and we have two news pages in here that have some correct styles. And then last year, if you want to get a few pages off last year, they're there. Hopefully you guys can add even more styles pages to this as we go along. I'll open this up. We have a news page, this is a headline, a byline here. We have our deck here, reverse L basic format, and caption below. You can see right here I have my Creative Cloud library. You should see LH Styles 20. This was one that I started that isn't shared, and you see the 20 here that Jesse wonderfully made with the people next to it. Click on that. If you need a story byline, you just drag and drop over here. And then click, and you have your story byline. If you need a caption, click on that, come over. Oh, that's not a caption box. So hopefully we can click on caption this time, drag over, bam, now we have a nice caption box. If you do not see your photo libraries, go to Window, Creative Cloud Libraries. I clicked on it, disappeared. Window, Creative Cloud Libraries. That should appear in a little box here for you. If you don't have it, you need to ask Jesse to share it with you, and then it should pop up here in your Creative Cloud notifications that you have been shared your Little Hawk Creative Cloud. Definitely check this. Make sure you're syncing correctly. If you're getting errors, click on that to refresh it. And I'm not sure why that's erroring, but you can also go to your Creative Cloud library. You should see Little Hawk 2021 here, be able to click on it and also see all of our things online as well as in your Creative Cloud InDesign library.